What's up, YouTube? Today I am going to teach you guys how to make breakfast, or my breakfast. Why should you care about my breakfast? You shouldn't, but you do. Ramen. I think that's China letter. And eggs. We need eggs. I usually do 3 or 4. Today I'm doing 4 because I'm kind of hungry. Kind of really hungry. So check it out. How do I flip the camera? Water boiling. I'm gonna throw our little ramen pack in there right quick. Gotta get the whole setup. You know what I mean. You know how it be. Let's open this thing up. Alright. You open it up and you got your noodles and their secret recipe. Trademarked by them, probably. I hope so. Gotta give it a few hits, soften it up, and then just throw that thing in there. Hold up. Yeah, you just wanna, bam, throw that joint in there. Look at that. Take a little sniff. And then the veggies. I'm not a big veggie person, but theirs is actually pretty good. Alright, next we're gonna do the eggs. Super simple. I like to use a plastic cup so I don't have to do dishes. That's fuck doing dishes. You know what I'm saying? You just crack them in. Normally. Y'all don't know how to crack eggs. By now, you'll never learn. There's no hope. Kabooey. Alright. Gotta keep our workstation clean, so make sure you throw that in the garbage. And wash your hands. You should probably wash your hands before starting. But I like to wash my hands in the middle of the cook. Alright. Bam. So, what we add to this, make sure you start your little plate. It's kind of hot. Get some good oil. You got the fucking Mazola. Never let me down. Bam. Kabooey. Alright. Back to the eggs. If you hear the dogs barking, pay no mind. They're just fucking ruining my life. Alright. Salt. You want iodized salt. Morton. She's pretty cool and she gets the job done. Alright, done with that. Obviously you need your black peppers. Give it a little nice pinch. Oh, and don't neglect your noodles. You wanna stir it, soften it up. Once it softens up, just like that. Next, we mix this, but I won't do that on camera. So, hold on. Alright, so boom, just like that. It's done skis. Next, we're gonna throw that onto the thing. Make sure you get your little paddle out so that you can stir it. And then, bam, start cooking that shit. I bet. Alright, so obviously eggs should take no longer than 1 minute to cook. So I have it in pretty, what's that, number 6? 6 out of 10 heat. You know, because I ain't got time to be waiting. Because waiting's for suckers. The waiting man's a sucker. Alright, anyways. See, look, they're pretty much done already. And they're gonna taste marvelous. So we'll just let that shit simmer. Whatever that means. Turn that joint off. The soup, because it's pretty much done. See, look at that soup. Bam. I know y'all want my life. Okay. So the way I like my soup is without the juice. So what I like to do is drain it. You know, I just want the juice for the flavor, but I don't like the juice. So give me 1 sec. Boy, coming back at you with some more survival skills. Damn, we kind of got that shit crispy. Ain't nothing but a thing. I mean, who doesn't like some char on your steak, right? So boom, kapow. Throw that shit on there. Actually, that's hot. And then you just, look at that. You just drizzle it. Yeah. I know you like that. Anyways, that's how you do it. And that is pretty much breakfast. Oh wait, I'm forgetting one of the most important parts. You know anything about anything is that obviously you need to hydrate in the fucking morning, because you know you sleep and you sweat and then you pee right after. It's very important to hydrate. I recommend a brewski if you're of age. If you're not of age, then I recommend what do I got in here? Oh, some cran apple juice, just like the one that guy from the skateboard on the highway did. It's all good. He's the homie. But yep, that is what I like to call cooking with Mauricio. Peace out, YouTube.